Bullish hold Freedom's cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept RSR could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish hold Privilege's market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Hold Freedom's presentation. Hold Freedoms has a convention called the SAVE Convention, which is a decentralized stablecoin stage that looks to make cost-stable digital currencies by collateralizing them with different resources and utilizing a flexible stockpile model. The convention as of now offers 3 USD-upheld stablecoins and a gold-supported digital currency, notwithstanding its local token. The SAVE convention uses the Ethereum blockchain and utilizes Savvy contracts. How does the whole convention function? The whole convention works by making cost-stable digital currencies through collateralization and a flexible stockpile model. To collateralize its stablecoins, the convention utilizes a bin of resources, including government-issued types of money, wares, and other digital currencies. The worth of each stablecoin is upheld by genuine resources at a 1-to-1 proportion and held for possible later use oversaw by outsiders. The convention's flexible stockpile model grows or gets the stockpile of each stablecoin because of changes popular, assisting with keeping up with dependability. At the point when interest for a specific stablecoin builds, a greater amount of that coin is printed and delivered into flow. Coins are scorched or taken out from course when request falls. What makes hold privileges interesting? The SAVE stablecoin is an imaginative new cryptographic money upheld by a bin of other digital currencies. This novel methodology gives more fantastic strength and security than other stablecoins ordinarily upheld by USD in a financial balance. The shrewd agreements that control the SAVE stablecoin guarantee that the fundamental resources are overseen safely and effectively. A few variables could keep on driving the cost of RSR higher. The complete stock of RSR tokens, right off the bat, is covered at 100 billion, making shortage and prompting expanded request as additional individuals become mindful of the task. Besides, the group behind SAVE Freedoms is continually dealing with new elements and enhancements to the stage, which could expand revenue from the two clients and financial backers the same. At long last, SAVE Privileges has previously protected organizations with significant trades like Binance, Bybit, and FTX, giving it a strong client base to expand upon. SAVE Freedoms is a cryptographic money that permits clients to make and exchange computerized bushels of token. These crates can comprise of any ERC20 resources, including stablecoins supported by other digital forms of money like USD Coin and Paxos Dollar, and furthermore DEFI yield-bearing resources like Compound USD Coin and OVDAI. SAVE Privileges current cost. SAVE Privileges is presently worth $0. RSR has moved 3.76% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,807,671. SAVE Privileges is presently positioned 159 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $192,348,232 USD. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant SAVE Freedoms market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Hold Privileges Value Forecast 2023 SAVE Rights, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The RSR cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. RSR is supposed to have a base worth of $0. SAVE Privileges Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Hold Rights RSR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of RSR will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the RSR's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, RSR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SAVE Freedoms Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and RSR might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. RSR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Hold Privileges Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Store Freedoms effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the RSR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, RSR will be green in 2026. The RSR is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Save Freedom's value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the RSR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, RSR has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Hold Privileges value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that RSR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help RSR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Hold Freedom's value expectation 2029. While RSR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Hold Privileges value forecast 2030. By 2030, Save Rights will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 3 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. Hold Freedom's value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest RSR cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 3 cents. And the Hold Freedom's cost is determined to ascend in the following month, in view of exploration by crypto examiners. Numerous dealers accept RSR as a wise venture because of its past presentation and anticipated future outcomes. Notwithstanding, it is fundamental to recollect that the cryptographic money market is profoundly unpredictable, and costs can go inverse to what is generally anticipated. As usual, investigating as needs be prior to making any ventures is fundamental. What is the Hold Freedom's cost today? Today, Hold Privileges is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $192,348,232. Is Hold Freedom's a wise venture? Hold Freedom's ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that RSR is a decent decision of venture. How high can Save Freedom's go? The typical cost of Save Privileges might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Hold Freedoms might outperform 2 cents. What amount will Hold Freedoms be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising ubiquity of digital money and Save Privileges, a drawn-out interest in RSR could see the value ascend to 2 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Save Privileges be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Save Privileges today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of RSR might actually ascend